AI is not here to steal your job. It's here to change the way we work. If you learn how to use AI tools, you can save time, work smart, and even start your own business. And the best part? You don't need to be a programmer or tech expert. In this video, I'll show you how students and beginners can use AI tools to become more productive, and how anyone can start a business using AI without coding. Let's get started. Part 1. Productivity tools without coding. AI tools are like your smart assistant. They help you write, design, plan, and manage your work faster and better. Here are some easy-to-use AI tools that don't need any coding. ChatGPT, it helps you write emails, blogs, reports, and even code if you want. Notion AI helps you organize your notes, study plans, and content. Canva helps you design posters, slides, thumbnails, and more using AI. Zapier connects apps together to automate boring tasks like sending emails or saving files. These tools are simple, visual, and free or low cost. You can use them on your phone or laptop. They save time and improve your focus. Use them for studies, work, or your own projects. If you master just these 4 tools, you will already be ahead of most people. Part 2. Business ideas for solopreneurs. Now let's talk about how you can turn AI into a business, even if you are a student or just starting. Here are 3 smart business ideas that one person can do without a team. First, AI automation agency. You help small businesses use tools like ChatGPT and Zapier to save time. For example, help them write emails faster, reply to customers, or manage bookings. Most small businesses don't know how to use AI, so they will pay you to do it for them. Second, custom AI services. Use no-code tools like Glide or Bubble to create small apps. For example, a chatbot for a restaurant or a smart form for a school. You don't need to code. These platforms let you build apps visually. You can sell these custom tools to local businesses or online clients. Third, SaaS micro startup. SaaS means software as a service. You create a small software tool that solves a specific problem. It can be a simple website, a planner, or a chatbot. Once made, it can earn you money every month. And you don't need to do everything alone. You can use AI to help build, market, and manage it. The future of business is small, smart, and automated. And with AI, even one person can run a global business. Part 3. Final thoughts on AI and learning. The most important thing is mindset. Don't be afraid of AI. Learn to use it. The people who will succeed are not those who work the hardest, but those who work the smartest. AI can write, draw, plan, and automate, but it needs someone to guide it. That person can be you. Keep learning. Try new tools. Make small projects. Build your skills every week. This is how you grow in the AI age. Conclusion and call to action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.